यहाँ पे ये जी यहाँ पे आइए। Very
Of course,
emotionally,
of course,
yeah,
of
they're
course.
very
And
emotional.
नॉर्थ में ऐसा होता है, जब कुछ खुलकर करते हैं, वो ज़्यादा इमोशनल होते हैं. And yeah.
Okay, Vani, next question to you. You're playing the किरदार of a Zumba trainer. So on that note, मतलब अक्सर हमने जिम में देखा है कि जब बंदे एंट्री मारते हैं जिम में और बंदियां वर्कआउट करती है और बहुत प्यारी सी बंदी दिखे तो लिफ्टिंग बेटर हो जाती है. तो ऐसा अक्सर आपके साथ कितना होता है कि when you're working out and the guys around suddenly you see कोई 100 किलो उठा रहा है, कोई 200 किलो उठा रहा है.
I've not noticed it personally. I don't know if it's something's wrong with me or the gym is pretty empty. But I train personally
These
with
days.
Yasmin, and no, yeah, I don't know. I mean, even if I have, I think I'm like a horse training, and I have blinders on, and I don't really see men left, right, center, and I'm too shy a person anyway.
मतलब जिसको जो उठाना और जो पटकना
Yeah.
पटकते रहो,
Yeah.
मैं अपना
Yeah.
काम कर जा रही हूँ.
Yeah.
हाँ. अभिषेक साहब, मतलब ये पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट चंडीगढ़ कितना क्लोज था, कितना टाइम स्पेंड किया था, मतलब व्हाट वर योर मोमेंट्स जिसने आपको इंस्पायर किया इस फिल्म के लिए या आपने उसमें नुआंसेस ऐड किए?
सबसे पहले तो मैं दो चीज़ें कहना चाहूँगा सबसे कि थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग दिस आफ्टरनून. इट्स बिन 2 years एंड कुछ महीने पहले तक तो लग रहा था ये बंद ही हो जाएगा, मगर आज ऊपर वाले की दया से और यू नो वी आर हियर इन द थिएटर्स एंड वी आर फीलिंग वेरी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक एंड दिस इज़ अ ह्यूज मोमेंट फॉर अस टू सेलिब्रेट. एंड यू नो आई हैव रीच्ड दिस स्टेज वेयर माई फिल्म इज़ you know the trailer is ready और आप सबके सामने अभी प्रदर्शित होने वाला है और you know this would not be possible without the 200-300 people who work with us. And I would like to thank T-Series, my partners. Bhushan Kumar ji, who's not here today, he's traveling. I would like to give it a shout out to him for supporting us. And you know there's so many key members. Every single member of my team has been fabulous and it would not be the same without them. और आपका सवाल था कि चंडीगढ़ एक्चुअली यू नो मैं पंजाबी हूँ और मैंने फिल्म गुजरात में बनाई है, कश्मीर में बनाई है, बॉम्बे में बनाई है और मेरे अंदर का पंजाबी मतलब बहुत उतावला था कि ऐसा मौका मुझे मिले क्योंकि ये जो गाने हैं और ये पंजाबी ढोल है और पंजाबी एक्टर जो हैं ये आयुष्मान खुराना जी इनके साथ करने काम और ये भी हैं पंजाबी कपूर हैं ये तो. सो यू नो जस्ट टू make a film that is set in Punjab and has the authentic flavor of it just nourished the Punjabi in me, you know, and I really reveled in it. It was actually, I was out of my league in a film of this genre, this mood, and you know, in fact the title Chandigarh Kare Aashiki also came from Ayushmann. He was the one who suggested it and it just kind of stuck. And I think it's the most appropriate title for this film.
I love the posters.
Yeah, and
amazing.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
And yeah, and thank you everyone for coming. And hopefully you all will like the trailer and also the film.
Thank you, Pragya ma'am. You want to say something? Anything? What's your feeling, emotions, whatever?
Oh, I mean, I've entered a cinema hall after, I think, 2
Yeah,
years almost.
I
So for me,
agree.
it's all surreal and it's
true.
very exciting to be here. And I'm just very, extremely grateful to everyone who's been a part of this team, our actors, everyone who trusted us because we made this movie during like peak COVID times. And the fact that everyone said that, let's go, let's do this. And the support and the trust that was there was just incredible. And it was literally, like Vani said, it was a family. And we had a great time, you know, in Chandigarh together. So yeah, it's very exciting. And thank you everyone who have come here. And yeah.
Amazing. Super proud of you guys. Well done, and it'll be a super hit for sure. We are looking forward to it. We'll go to the trailer launch. I request you all to take the first row, please. But before that, we are surely missing the big man himself, the producer, Mr. Bhushan Kumar ji, head honcho T-Series. Unfortunately, he had to travel overseas for work commitments that came in last minute. But I've been told he was very excited to attend the event and to soak up in the Chandigarh Ashram. Thank you.